Good afternoon, welcome to this Mark's Distribution Tutorials video. I'm going to do a review on this automatic cleaner here. If you've been watching a few of my videos, you know that I do regular cleans on swimming pools, so I get to see lots of different brands. This guy here is a Robo Plus. He's only about 6 months old, and I am not impressed with what I see. The customer bought this one, and you can see here it's got the bag style in it, and what that means that every time you hose it out, you've actually got to pull that bag off and hose it out. It may not be obvious the problem to start off with, but I mean, A, you're handling all of this, but B, when you put the bag down and start to hose it, it actually flicks a whole lot of muck back all over you, and you end up pretty hard not to get covered in whatever you've cleaned up, and then it's just a pain to put in and out. If you've got a DeLorean and you're actually living in the year 2000, 21 years ago, you're given the pandemic a miss, then this is the latest tech. That's what they were. They had bags, they were exactly like this, but there's been developments and they've moved on since then. None of the current generation of cleaners have bags anymore. They have paper cartridge elements now, and you can pull those out, lay them down, and then spray them, and the water will bounce off the cartridge if you like and go away and clean. They filter finer too. This swimming pool here has got a duck issue, and when this is running over duck poo, there's just a stream of dirt because it's just going through the bags, not able to catch it, whereas the paper element does a better job. It doesn't catch all of it either, but it does a better job than what the bag does. So the other thing I've noticed about this is that the cord, I come here once every 4 weeks and the cord is always twisted to bilio, so I've got to disconnect the cord from the power pack and untwist it each time. Again, modern day cleaners like the Tiger Shark, you've got a handle on the top and you can turn them from one side to the other. So if you come to a pool like this and it's twisted, you turn the handle to the other side and it will then proceed to untwist itself. Again, older generation, older style cleaners like this don't have that. But the other thing I've noticed is that this has just got rust all over it. You see here the clip they've used to hold the lead down has got rust on it. There's rust here on the bag from the inside. As I said, this is only about 6 months old. It's also starting to fade, losing its color. But again, I'm just not impressed with what I see. It comes with a trolley over here. And again, look at the rust underneath there, the rust down there, all of the so-called chrome fittings are rusting. That's not because of salt water, that's just because of rain. So yeah, Robo Tech. Just a heads up, if that's the one you're looking at, you think you're going to buy, my experience of this one, look at the rust all the way down there, is that she's just absolute cheapy and very old tech. So I'll be looking at something else. I run Robotic Pool Spa service, and I'm a serviceman. I do regular cleans, so I get to see a whole lot of different cleaners. So if you're interested to buy one, there's a couple of different ones I recommend and sell depending on the size of your pool and your situation. So ring me up, have a chat, and we can send auto cleaners all over Australia and get you a good quality one that's current tech.